Hi, is your English quite advanced? Do you want to practice it at a higher level? Well, this is the video for you if you're particularly interested also in academic English. This is Susan Broder from Speak Languages and Travel the World, here to help you improve your English with minimum effort and maximum benefit. And today I'd like to talk to you about how you can get to a higher level of advanced English by watching more academic English. And something really exciting that maybe many of you are not informed about are the MOOCS, the massive open online courses which are organized by universities, and university professors teach you for free. I myself followed a course on art history a few years ago and was really amazed at how well it worked. This professor was teaching in a class, but it was also organized for students who were online, and there were lessons, video lessons, then there were comprehension questions, homework, and occasional exams. You had deadlines to respect, and if you did it within the deadlines, you would get a certificate, and I'm a proud owner of one of these certificates. So the platform that I particularly used and is my favorite is edX. There are universities from all over the world that adhere to it: Harvard, MIT, Sorbonne, all the universities. Most lessons are in English, but some are in the native language. There are courses of every type and kind. You name it and they have a course on it. Depending on the courses, you can now also get a certificate which doesn't cost a lot, maybe $50 or something, and a series of certificates give you a certain kind of qualification. So it's definitely worth checking out. If there's a particular subject you're interested in, you can definitely develop it with these courses absolutely for free. This is the most exciting thing. And you have top quality professors. The other platforms I'll put down in the description below, but for example, one good one is Coursera, another one is Alison. There are really many of them, so I can't mention them all here. But I definitely recommend you check them out, because you can improve your English incredibly by participating in these university courses. It'll improve your English, and it'll also improve your knowledge in the subject you're interested in. So absolutely something for those who are interested in academic English and improving their English to a really advanced level. Another equally exciting opportunity is watching TED Talks. Now, many of you may have already heard of TED Talks and watched them at TED.com. There's also an app that you can download to have it on your phone. But what's very interesting for reaching a higher level of English is that the TED Talks not only have subtitles in English, obviously, but you can click the transcript and follow it along on the transcript. I would actually recommend stopping the transcript and the video every now and then, so that you can try and fix a particular vocabulary, expressions that you find noteworthy, write them down, and then transform them into about 5 phrases which are more pertinent to your personal life, and therefore they'll remain memorable and you'll be able to use them again in future. This kind of activity obviously doesn't refer to colloquial English, it's usually more academic English, but that's something that you need to know at a higher level also for business. It's important to have a more curated type of language and not only colloquial English. So TED Talks and MOOCs are a very good way of improving your English at no cost, but as I said, not at a colloquial level. I recommend you try them both out, and you make sure you note down any expressions you want to learn for yourself by then transforming them into something personal. I hope this was interesting for you. I look forward to helping you reach a more advanced level with other advice in the future. Meanwhile, if you haven't, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. And that's all for today. Bye. So it's definitely worth out checking